Assessment 5-2, TEKS 7.6H. Directions: read each question carefully, identify the key words, be sure to answer the question, show all work, and good luck. Question 1. Madi bought 6 packets of tomato seeds. Each packet contains 24 seeds. She planted 1 packet of seeds, and 15 seeds sprouted. Which statement about the seeds in the remaining packets is best supported by the information? Use a proportion. A. No more than 50 seeds will sprout. B. Between 50 and 100 seeds will sprout. C. At least 100 but no more than 120 seeds will sprout. Or D. All 120 seeds will sprout. Question number 2. Sam is renting a car for a vacation. The table shows the number of keys in a bag for each type of car in the parking lot. How many times would you expect Sam to randomly select a key for a convertible or a sports car if he selects a key 120 times? Set up a proportion. Put your answer in the grid above provided. Question number 3. Heather has a bag of 15 red, 11 orange, 9 yellow, 12 green, 6 blue, and 11 purple markers. How many times would you expect Heather to pick a red marker if she picked a marker 90 times? Set up a proportion. A. About 11 times. B. About 15 times. C. About 21 times. Or D. About 64 times. Question number 4. Felix has a bucket of golf balls. The table shows the number of golf balls of each color in the bucket. Felix selects a golf ball at random. Based on the information in the table, which statement is true? A. The golf ball is more likely to be green than all other colors combined. B. The golf ball is equally likely to be pink, white, orange, or green. C. The golf ball is 2 times as likely to be orange as it is to be green. D. The golf ball is 7 times as likely to be green than it is to be white. Question number 5. Deborah surveyed customers in a restaurant to find out their favorite meal. The results of the survey are shown in the table. One person in the restaurant will be picked at random. Based on the given information, which statement is true? A. The person's favorite meal is twice as likely to be hamburger and French fries as it is to be spaghetti. B. The person's favorite meal is 4 times as likely to be chili as it is to be vegetarian delight. C. The person's favorite meal is more likely to be chili than hamburgers and French fries. D. This person's favorite meal is equally likely to be either vegetarian delight or spaghetti. Question number 5. Juliana performs an experiment where she pulls a marble out of a bag. In her experiment, she finds that she is twice as likely to pull a blue marble than a green marble. If Juliana pulls 10 blue marbles, how many green marbles does she pull? A. 5 green marbles. B. 20 green marbles. C. 10 green marbles. Or D. 100 green marbles. Question number 7. Star review bonus worth 3 points. Which Venn diagram correctly describes the relationship between whole numbers and integers? Question number 8. Star review question worth 3 bonus points. Stephanie has 3 3/4 bags of soil to put in a garden. Each bag will cover 125.3 square feet. How many square feet will Stephanie be able to cover if she uses all these bags of soil? A. 469.875 square feet. B. 375.2 407.225 square feet, C, 407.225 square feet, or D, 418.502 square feet. That's the end of the test. Check your work for reasonableness. Go back and review. Good luck.